In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change phone number format in Zoho CRM. We'll walk through a simple and practical way to adjust a phone number for one of your records, so it appears exactly the way you want it in your CRM. This is really helpful if you're standardizing formats across your team, or cleaning up data that was entered inconsistently. First, open your Zoho CRM account and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the main dashboard or home screen, look for the navigation bar, usually located across the top of the page. From there, find and click on the Leads module. This is where your potential customers or prospects are stored, and it's often one of the main places where phone numbers are saved. After the Leads page loads, you'll see a list of your lead records. Take a moment to locate the specific lead whose phone number format you want to change. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top of the module to quickly find a particular record using a name, company, or any other available field. Once you've found the correct lead, click on that record to open the detailed view. Inside the leads record, you'll see various sections containing information such as name, email, company, and of course, phone numbers. Look for the phone number field you want to update. To change the format, you'll need to switch into edit mode. Find the small pen or pencil icon, usually near the top of the record or next to the field itself, and click on it. This icon indicates that you can edit the record's details. When the edit screen opens, navigate to the phone number field. Now you can adjust the formatting however your organization prefers. For example, you might add a country code, remove extra spaces, or standardize it to a format like plus country code, area code, and number. As you edit, double check that the number is correct, not just nicely formatted, since this is the information your team will rely on for calls and texts. Once you're happy with the new format, scroll down if needed and click this Save button. Zoho CRM will update the record and take you back to the detail view. Confirm that the phone number now appears exactly as you want it. And that's all you need to do to change a phone number format for a lead in Zoho CRM.